What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil here and you are watching my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial. So guys, today in this video I am gonna share with you a trick about playing YouTube videos and music on your Android phone in background without having or installing any additional app. I am using this trick from last 1 year and guys, it still works very well. So I decided to share this trick with you using this video. So without talking too much, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial and stay connected with my channel. So guys, in this video I will show you two ways to play YouTube videos and music in background without installing any additional app. You will find so many apps which are going to give you this feature, but most irritating part of those apps is their pop-up ads and most of them are adware. So in this video I will show you a built-in trick to play YouTube in background with the built-in app and Android feature. Here is the first trick using official YouTube app. First of all, open up the official YouTube app. Then search for your favorite music or videos normally. Then play that music or video. Now go to recent app on your phone and there is an official Android feature called split screen. Then drag the YouTube app to one side and other app to another side. In this way you can play YouTube videos and also you can use another apps. But if you want to use it in background, just simply go to your phone home screen and now you can able to play YouTube music in background. Okay guys, now let me show you the second trick. Open up your mobile Chrome browser, then go to youtube.com. Now tap on this three dot option and switch to desktop view. Now here search any music or video. Then play the music. Now just simply go to your mobile home screen. Then swipe down the notification bar and here you will see an option to play the YouTube music from the notification bar. Following this trick, also you can play YouTube in background and also can take use of other apps like social media browsing and other stuff. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friend. And if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SS Tech Tutorial and I'm signing out.